Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use pitch for presentations. First, understand that pitch is simply how high or low your voice sounds. It's a powerful tool that can dramatically influence your audience's perception and engagement. A monotone delivery, for instance, can quickly bore listeners, while a dynamic vocal range keeps them attentive. Mastering pitch helps you convey confidence and connect more deeply with your message. To effectively vary your pitch, consciously avoid a flat, unchanging tone. Think about raising your voice slightly when asking a question or highlighting an exciting new idea. Conversely, lower your pitch for more serious statements, important conclusions, or to convey authority. Experiment with different pitch patterns during practice sessions, perhaps trying 3 distinct levels: low, medium, and high, to find what feels natural and impactful. Pitch is excellent for emphasizing key information. A slight rise in pitch on a specific word can draw immediate attention to it, making it stand out. Conversely, a lower pitch can signal the gravity of a statement or indicate a transition to a new, important point. Strategic pitch changes help guide your audience's focus, ensuring they grasp the most crucial aspects of your presentation. Remember to pause briefly after a significant pitch shift for maximum effect. The best way to master pitch is through consistent practice. Record yourself delivering parts of your presentation and listen back critically. Identify moments where your pitch might be too flat or where a change could add more impact. Focus on practicing specific sentences or paragraphs, consciously altering your pitch. Finally, ask a trusted friend or colleague for feedback on your vocal delivery. An outside perspective is invaluable for refining your presentation skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.